When the pre-shaped dough pieces have completed the intermediate fermentation, and before we actually shape our baguettes, it is the best time to preheat our oven. Before we do that, we make sure that we have our baking surface inside, our baking plate, ensuring that there is space to the right, to the left, to the back and the front for continuous air movement. Our steam bar is inserted. This will give us this intense steam development at the beginning of the baking process to make us absolutely successful. And to make sure that we don't forget at the very critical moment, we have 100 milliliters of water already prepared, which we will then pour into our steam bar at the beginning of the baking process. We are setting our temperature to 250 degrees. We have figured out that this particular oven needs about 30 minutes to preheat. Each oven is different, so you must find your own way and your own time frame. Perhaps the first time you use your oven, choose the time frame of about an hour to ensure that the oven is properly heated. It is absolutely critical that the temperature is at approximately 250 to ensure this fantastic oven rise that we are trying to achieve, just like a professional baker.